Hey there, YouTubers, unboxing video time. So, got these EMG pickups, or pickup. I got another one of these somewhere. But this is going to go in this bad boy right here. Jackson, made in the USA. Pretty much mint condition. I decided to go with red pickups in it. We had black, but it's time for red. So, let's get this open. Alright. I may change my mind and want the black ones, but we'll see after I install it, right? Watch it be a totally different color red too, which is possible. Exciting day for me as I install this. Of course, there's a cable in here that there's a cable that's missing from here that we'll need for this kind of installation. Due to the jack being way up here, you have to get an extended one from EMG. Whether you buy it or they send it to you for free is another story. Let's see if I can get this off here. So, I bought this off, did I buy it off eBay? No, Amazon. Amazon. Oh, it's not the right color red. That sucks. This would look good in a black guitar, so maybe I will put them in the black ESP. And then put some blood on it or something, right? So, what do you think, guys? Not really the right color, right? Kind of disappointing, but it is what it is. Should have matched up the colors beforehand. Alright, so we got some screws in here. EMG sticker. Huh, finally gave me one of these. So let's just get all the parts out. So 9-volt. Obviously, we'll have to read the directions because I haven't installed one of these in forever. Retaining rings, washers, screws, and then one of these goes to the back of the pickup. We've got two cables here actually. One of these goes to the back of the pickup, and the other is going to probably go to the volume knob for me. Here's the jack. So, there you go. This is to the jack because it's got those guys on it. Positive, negative. And like I said, the tone. Who needs tone, right? You know, to be honest with you, I just assume have one pickup in this guitar. I wish EMG made a fake pickup that was like $10 to fill these. So there you go. I don't know what this guy is. It'd be nice if it's an extension cable. And then a little heat shrink. Two of those. So let me just do some close-ups. And then we'll go back. We haven't really looked at the pickup very well. So let's grab that. So this is pretty sharp. I'm so glad they went to quick disconnects. I don't know what took them so long. You know, all those years, like, hey, soldering is so stupid. And you electronics guys, you'd think they would figure this out a lot sooner. But there you go, 81. That's what it looks like. That's what you get. So there is no way. Let's see. Where's my one for the jack? Yeah, there's no way this guy, folks, is going to reach, right? You see that? That is like an